So what's up, everybody? My name is Benny, and this is not Benny's kitchen. This is Leslie's kitchen. And today I got the opportunity, let me go ahead and introduce her, Miss Leslie Ryland.
How you doing? Leslie, I'm the art director at Global Cannabinoids. All right, so yeah, we put this together for you.
Wow!
So this is some of our gummies.
Nice.
And then we have our whole hemp superfood in here.
Nice.
And a bunch of stuff that you can cook with. It's got CBD in it. Yeah.
Awesome, hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications.
Some ground turkey spring rolls, and we're going to be using the CBD honey to make a sweet Thai chili sauce. Good stuff. Oh, it's good. Arigato.
So keep cooking. Keep eating. But keep it healthy.